How do I replace a burner knob that had the shaft break off? Where do I get the parts? Can I fix it myself if I am not a technician? P020042 is the model number for the Viking stove.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. Thank you for the pictures you sent. Can you tell me what that knob controls exactly? Is it one of the cooktop burners?
It controls the small of the two ovens.
Okay, do you have a picture of the knob front and back you can attach, please?
Is this helpful?
Okay, perfect, thank you. So that's a big problem. The shaft of the thermostat actually. I'm not sure if you can remove that broken piece out of the knob, but if not, you would also need a new knob. It's quite a bit of work to replace the thermostat because you need to remove the control panel and the cooktop in order to run the sensing bulb into the oven. There are no gas connections, but there are electrical connections. I will warn you that Viking charges about $200 for thermostats typically, so they aren't cheap. The knobs are usually about $20 or so. To get parts, you'll need to give your model number to allvikingparts.com since Viking doesn't have normal distributors for parts. Their number is if you wanted to attempt to repair your own oven, you would need to get parts through them. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Okay. Thanks. Need to take the stove apart to replace the broken shaft, which is really part of the thermostat?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.